She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time seeing this face, you're most definitely welcome. Hit the subscribe button, share, like, do all the good stuff. Guys, today's video is going to be a fun one. So this video was inspired by Chantel Anyanwu. I saw it on her channel, and it was also inspired by Dima. I also watched when she did this, trying different brands of Indomie or different flavors of Indomie. In today's video, I'm going to be trying different flavors of Indomie. I just want to see how it tastes, what's the difference from this one to this one, because let's be serious, there are lots of flavors coming out now that some of them I haven't even seen before, not until today. For instance, this one and this one I haven't seen before, and the Oriental noodle, I haven't even heard of crayfish Indomie, not until today. I usually put crayfish in my Indomie. Like if I cook this one, this is my best brand, I put crayfish, and this one I put crayfish. But I haven't seen crayfish Indomie, so I'm very excited to test it to see if it really tastes like my normal crayfish Indomie. And yeah, the brands we have here. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, this video is going to be in collaboration with somebody. So we have a visitor in the channel. Let me just introduce her to you. We have a visitor in the channel. Her name is Jennifer. She's my in-law. Come sit here, my sister-in-law. She's going to join us in this challenge. It's going to be a fun one. Just be free, okay? She's not used to the whole YouTube stuff, but she has been behind the scene all this while. So this is the first time she's appearing officially on my channel. So guys, I don't know if you can see, but the pots are boiling. That is why here is so hot. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pots on the fire boiling. So let's hurry up and open them.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
But please leave your own flavor down in the comment section. Which one is your favorite brand of Indomie instant noodles? There are a lot of Indomie in the market. What's that? That's so big. See how big this one is. Can't cook all, it's too big. There are a lot of noodles brand in the market, but this is my fave. I love Indomie. I can't use any other one. I cannot. Like, I'll just throw up. I just tasted a little bit of the crayfish because I'm really dying to taste that. This is really big. We can't cook all, so we have to cut it into two. Even the ingredients we need half. So I'll just have to. From what I can see, the base are all the same thing. Like they all have the same base, right? Even this one. Yeah, they all have the same base. The only thing that is different is the sachet, the flavors. They don't mix them up, bro. Let's know which one is for this one, because I don't think they are written on it. Are you saying they're not written on it? So which one is this one? So
that is
are you sure? It's green, please. And this one is which one? Crayfish? No. Crayfish is good. You see that's the problem. We need to be careful so we don't mix it up. Okay, this one's for this one. So guys, this is all the noodles we'll be testing here today. I'll tell you each of them as we test it, but I just wanted to give you a preview of what we have on table. So here is what we have on table. Isn't this looking delicious? Thumbnail. Wow. So after hours of cooking, we're going to start with this one. Let's start with this one. Okay, the crayfish. Okay. Oof. I'm so skeptical because I'm the kind of person, I don't like change. I don't mean APC. I'm used to a certain kind of flavor and I want to stick with it. I don't like to change my taste bud. But this thing is, I just pray I don't hate Indomie after eating this. My spoon is already here and I'm hot, so I have to keep this thing somewhere close. Okay. So the first one we'll go with is the Crayfish Flavor, and I said I haven't tasted this one before. This is how it looks. So you guys, this is the first time we are tasting these noodles. The ones we've eaten before, I'll tell you we've eaten that one before. Let's you to go first. I don't want to look at her face, because if I look at her face I might know. What do you think? Not bad. That's crayfish. Can you taste the crayfish inside? There's no crayfish inside this thing. Move it. We're done with that. It doesn't have. Just move it. It's not my favorite anyways. Just keep it. This one is the Relish Seafood Delight with chunks of real fish. Really? Let's see how it tastes. You taste it first. God help me, I should be able to eat Indomie after this table. What's that? Don't do that though. If you do that, I cannot eat it now. Don't do that.
Just enjoy it.
I don't understand. Does not have taste though. What's that now? You're gone. This one, I don't even know what to say. Let's just keep it here. It has one bland, funny taste. Like it's just maybe John I want to chop. Let's see this one. The next one, which is the third one, is the Relish Chicken Delight with real chunks of chicken. This is it. Let me show you the pack. I hope I showed you the pack of this first one. Did I show them? I think I did. So this is the one we're testing now. Hopefully this one is better. I don't like the way you're doing this. The way you're doing, you're making me, I will not be able to taste it. You taste the chicken, look at chicken, collect chicken and eat since you don't want it to. But taste the Indomie too. Taste the Indomie. The chicken is nice.
Oh,
Nice.
this is a good chicken.
Not my favorite, but the chicken is real chicken, but it's not my favorite. She likes it. Please, it doesn't have that Indomie seasonings taste. The next one we're going to try is the chicken pepper soup. Now I've eaten this one before, but a long time ago. But I don't know if it's the same thing because I think the packaging is different. But I'll try it. So this one is the chicken pepper soup flavor. It is chicken pepper soup, it's normal pepper soup. So we made it like with the water, so it can still give us that pepper soup. Can give us pepper soup feeling. I used to like this way back then, but I don't know if it's still good like then. It's actually okay, but it doesn't taste like the Indomie pepper soup I knew then. Just that it has more spice. It's more spicy. So move it. I beg, wait, we'll eat it later if you want to eat. Let's move to the next one because this video is already. This one we have here is the Oriental fried noodles. This is how it looks. And I haven't had this one before. I don't think I have. Oh, it's already dry. Oh, manage it. Let me see. Okay. It has the same flavor like the normal regular Indomie, but there's something, a scent that it has that's different from the regular noodles. Yeah, this is good. Let's go to the next one, which is Indomie instant noodles chicken flavor. This one is one everybody knows. Like this is one we have here in the house. Everybody eats this one. Of course, we're expecting this one to be nice. Yeah, it's a little salty, but it's okay. Now, what I noticed is that this noodles is more salty than the other ones. Like it has more taste than the other one. Not like it depends on your kind of person. If you're the kind of person that doesn't like very tasty food, maybe you're going to like this other ones. But if you're the kind of person that like your food to be like very tasty, then you're going to like the regular Indomie noodles chicken flavor. So let's go to the last but not the least, which is my favorite. Is this your favorite as well? Yeah. So which is the onion chicken flavor. And this one is, we didn't do justice to this food. Like, she didn't cook it very well. She made this one. She didn't, just to boil Indomie. But we're going to manage it, sha. But you can never go wrong. Like, if you don't like Indomie, just try the onion flavor. You're going to love it. This one is so much. I'm trying to take small. But anyways, I like it so I can eat it. It's not in its best state, but it's still okay. So this is my favorite of all the noodles, and I have to show you guys that by eating it enough. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this Indomie, trying different Indomie flavor. Let me know which one is your flavor or your best flavor down in the comment section. We'll just clean up because this whole place is a mess. I was thinking after this I won't be able to eat Indomie noodles again because some of them were smelling very funny, but they turned out to be very nice. It just depends on your taste bud, on the kind of flavor you like. If you're the person that doesn't like your food to be very tasty, as I said, you're going to like the other flavors I told you earlier. But if you're the person that really likes tasty food, then you definitely go with this one and the onion flavor, and maybe a little bit of the pepper soup, because I think they are just the same thing, just that pepper soup has more spice. And there's something they added recently that they usually don't add, or that the other one that came out earlier they didn't add. I don't know. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy, let me know down in the comment section as well. You guys have been seeing a lot of me alone in my videos, so I didn't see other people for once. All right guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining